My name is Ronald Adams. I farm with my son Nick, and our farm's called Ron and Nick Adams Farms.
Nick Adams from Reynolds, North Dakota, fifth generation farmer.
The current farm is the home base, which is at Reynolds, North Dakota. Our farm, we grow wheat, durum, barley, sugar beets, corn, soybeans, edible beans. The Knapheide box definitely helps us keep moving. We try to make things nice and easy and safe, and we have supplies in there, nuts, bolts, oil.
We leaned on them for what options are out there, what they recommended, and we kind of told them what we use it for, and it was a good experience. And they had one on order and kind of the way we wanted it. Some things that stand out about the KMT that I really like is the new lighting system and the controls in the right rear corner for you can turn lights on or start the air compressor from back there, or the doors seem like they're sealed really well. We're out gravel roads every day and out in the field, dusty and stuff, and it keeps everything clean and everything's sealed up nice, and that's important. We got a lot of valuable stuff in there. To me, there is a big value in local support, whether it's Knapheide or our truck dealerships. Those relationships are valuable, and we like to do our business local, and I think long term that the Knapheide name is going to be there for us.